At the outset, I must thank the organizers, and in particular Dr. Gupta ji, for inviting me to Bathinda, a lovely place. The drive between the airport and this place was extraordinarily refreshing. Meeting all youngsters here, the lot of activities in the medical college also made me feel very invigorated. I felt younger. Abdul Kalam used to say, I always want to spend more time with the youngster students. I feel younger. In fact, it is true. Dr. Gupta ji said he was disappointed that the students did not participate. I would say the other way. I, of course, will not agree with Gupta ji. There are many things that we have not agreed on the telephone call. In fact, that continuous love and hate conversations have been going on, and he finally decided to invite me to see what this fellow is. So I have come here. That some of you attended is something extraordinary. And I don't want you to get a embittered response that I'm disappointed with you. No, we are very happy that you came. It always happens. Attendance is always not full. And I don't want to say this, but I am afraid this is a good opportunity to give an analogy. Last 1 year, 2 years, we are monitoring the attendance of the faculty. So, I'm sure you have all heard what has happened. I don't want to say this. AIIMS, it might not have happened because we don't do that in AIIMS. But many other colleges, we do monitor the attendance. And what Vitull Gupta ji felt, seeing that all did not participate, we also get that same feeling of the faculty. So it's a very good thing. The cup is half full. It's, of course, he is always a person who drives. He told me that I like driving when he was driving the car, but I think he drives everybody, if not to nuts, but I think he drives everybody to success. So he made sure that all the medical students had to participate, and I think he has been disappointed, justifiably so. But to me, even some medical student attending a conference like this is something that is a success. I have to say a small anecdote, not anecdote, a shlok to emphasize this point. In our learning, we don't learn everything from our teachers or from people who are lecturing here. We learn from several other sources. So it is said, Acharyat Padamadatte. I learn from my teachers only a fourth of the knowledge that I am required to learn. Padat Shishya Swamedhaya. That is, I have to read, I have to study, and that contributes to another fourth. Padam Swabhrahmacharibhya. That is, those who are all studying with me, my classmates, my seniors, my interns, even nurses for that matter, all of them contribute to another fourth of learning. And the last fourth comes from what Dr. Gangadhar said. Padam Kalakmenacha. That is, as I am going with my professional learning, the teachers, the patients, the so-called laboratory procedures, the errors that we make, the successes that we get, all these things actually make us learn the other fourth. So it is understandable that a good amount of learning comes from other sources, and I'm sure you also be experiencing the same thing. And I wish all the medical students a very, very bright future. And in fact, the future is bright for a medical student. I believe that you become what is called as the creamy layer of the society. You come from a group. Of course, today most people get some schooling. Earlier days, not all were getting schooling. Of course, all of them get schooling today, at least definitely so in Punjab. And after schooling, higher education, college, after the 10th class, almost 40% dropout. And after getting into the college, a very, very small proportion want to become doctors. And those of you are wanting to become doctors. Amongst you, only 10% of those who aspire to become doctors get an opportunity to study medicine here. 24 lakh write the exam, and 10 lakh pass, and 1 lakh get the seats. So you are amongst the top 1 lakh in the country of 149 crores. So I believe that you have been chosen for this divine work, and I am sure you will get the best out of all the education that happens in AIIMS. And organizing these conferences gives you an opportunity to interact with a very wide range of medical faculty, experts, both from within the country and outside the country. And this actually hones a lot of your skills and expands your horizon. I wish all of you the very best, and I thank Dr. Gupta ji for inviting me to this function. I believe I have to give another lecture, which I will be doing it. Maybe I will stop here. Thank you very much.